Hey everybody, it's Val here, and today's video is going to be what I am taking to Colorado, or more like what I'm taking on vacation. I will be going to Colorado for 5 days from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 5 days, and I will be coming back on Tuesday morning, or Tuesday, a little early, not too early Tuesday, but like 10, 11, and we will be getting to Colorado like at a decent early time too. So I wanted to show you guys all what I'm taking to Colorado, and I will also be having a pack with me type video after this. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you everything that I'm taking. So here is my bed right now, and this is everything that I'm for sure taking to Colorado. Some of the stuff I might not be taking, but most of the stuff I am taking. All of the stuff I am taking, but there are some stuff that I maybe might end up taking. I'm just not entirely sure. So, let's start from this corner. So first of all, I have two shirts. I have a white shirt with black polka dots, and then I have just a plain pink shirt with the word love etched on the top left. So those are two shirts that I'm taking, and I will be wearing those shirts with these overalls. So these two I will be wearing together, this shirt with this overall, and then this overall with this shirt. And so that's one outfit. And then my outfit for when we go on the flight, a pair of jeans, this red shirt from Huatulco, Mexico that my grandparents got me, and this sweatshirt. So I just want to be comfortable while I'm on the plane. And then I will also be taking one pair of pajamas. So I've got my pajama pants, just a black t-shirt that I always wear for bed and stuff, and then the matching pajama top. And I'm taking a pair of running shorts just so I can be comfortable. Let's say I decide that I don't want to wear jeans while I'm in Colorado. I can decide to wear comfortable running shorts, which is great. And then over here, I've got a hat that I'm taking. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it because I do want to get a hat over there, but I might end up taking it just in case I end up using that hat too. So a hat, and then these are just some travel bottles that I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm for sure going to use two of these, and then two of these. The other ones, my mom and I share the same body wash. We share some stuff that's the same, so I'm not sure about the other one, if I'm going to be needing the other ones, but just in case. And then I'm taking some cough drops. I have a lingering cough, as I like to call them, and I get like cough attacks, so sometimes I need cough drops to calm me down because my voice or my throat gets like really dry, and which causes a cough. So the cough drops will help really great with that. And then I'm taking this as my carry-on. And what I usually do okay, let me uncover it real fast. So I'll put my purse in here, and it'll be a little heavy, but like it won't be like unbearably heavy. So this is a cool backpack because my grandparents got this for me in Cancun when they went this summer. And so it has this pocket, and then it has the main pocket. So this will be like a really nice travel bag, carry-on type thing. And then I'm taking a pair of earbuds, and this is the lightning to headphone jack that I got because I have an iPhone 7, and I don't want to spend money on just earphones or whatever. So I spent $10 on this, and I already had these, so I was like, okay, that's good, I'm good there. And then I'm going to be putting all of my cough drops in here. So let's say because I don't want to keep them with me. I don't want to keep a whole bag with me. So I'm just going to put a few in here. This is it's a coin pouch, but it'll come in handy. And then this is some argan oil that I'm going to be taking for my lip. And then, let's see, makeup bags. So I am for sure taking these two. this one has all of my makeup, so that will be on the plane with me. And then this one doesn't. This one will be in the suitcase. My mom and I are taking one big suitcase between the two of us, and we're not going to we're not packing much. We're only going to be there for 5 days. We don't really need much. So we're gonna just have one big suitcase. And then we will each have our. So we have the carry-on, the suitcase, and the checked bag, I believe. Let's see, carry-on, suitcase. Well, there's 2 bags that we can have on the flight. So we can have one up, I forgot what it's called right now, but we have the carry-on and, the personal item carry-on suitcase. So this is my personal item. Then these will be going into my, my carry-on along with my dress that I'm wearing, because I don't want anything to happen to that one. So I'm taking this one. This is just my makeup bag. That'll probably go in my little backpack that I showed you guys. This one will most likely go this one will most likely go into the carry-on. And these are where I keep all my lipsticks, and I also have some lipsticks in here. These are my Kylie Cosmetics lipsticks. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be taking this from, if anything, I'll just take like 1 or 2 of them, if anything, just like 1 color or 2 colors, so I don't have to take so much. But that's pretty much all that I'm taking, clothes and all that wise. And the purse that I'm taking, I'm not going to take my main purse. So over here is my main purse. This is the one that I use all the time, but I don't think I'll be taking that just because it's a little bulkier. So I have another one that's dirty right now and we have to wash it. And then also I'm going to be washing pretty much all of these clothes, well, all of these ones right here. The rest are all clean. But I want to wash all of those before we leave. And then shoe-wise, I'm taking 4 pairs of shoes, pair of sandals, my Vans, and these are really comfy sandals. That's why I'm taking them. Because if I don't want to wear shoes on the plane, then I can wear those. And then these are also, of course, they're Vans. They're most likely they're comfortable. So my Vans I will either wear those on the plane, and if I don't, then those are what I'll wear when we're just walking around, when we're touring around. And then flats and these heels. So these heels, I'm going to a wedding, so I'm going to need heels. And then these flats, if I do get tired of wearing the heels, then I can wear the flats. So I'm taking 4 pairs of shoes. I don't think I'll take any slippers, but that's pretty much all that I'm taking. So yeah. That is everything that I'm taking with me to Colorado. There is a chance that I might need to take my laptop for homework. I don't think I will, because most of the stuff that's due while I'm gone, it's been unlocked. But if I do need to take my laptop, then I'll be very sad, because I don't want to take, it'll be annoying, because it's just an extra thing that I have to take, and I'll probably have to bind or buy a backpack that I can hold my laptop in, along with all the other stuff, and I really don't want to do that, because it would be annoying. So I've been trying to get ahead with all of my schoolwork, and so far I'm ahead with most of it. There's one class that I'm not too ahead with, but I'm like, we don't have that much stuff due with that class, but I'm ahead with pretty much everything else. So I'm just hoping that I can get ahead of everything, so I don't have to end up taking my laptop. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed what I'm taking to Colorado, give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, subscribe down below. And if you guys want to subscribe to my main channel, it will be on a card on this side. So yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.